See, on the 20th of December 2025, there was a demolition drive at Kogilu Layout, survey number 99. They were alleged encroachers who were displaced by virtue of that demolition drive. Subsequently, there were tweets that were flying around from the Kerala Chief Minister to the Foreign Affairs Department of the Pakistan government, stating that people are being displaced in Bengaluru under the nose of the government. And as a reaction to this, in a very knee-jerk fashion, because the Kerala Chief Minister had spoken with eyes set on his Kerala elections and minority votes in those elections. Subsequently, Mr. K.C. Venugopal, who is the National General Secretary of the Indian National Congress, he also spoke because his eyes were also set on the Kerala elections, as if it was the Kerala people of Kerala who were being displaced. Well, following this, the government, in a very knee-jerk reaction, decided to allocate homes for all of them under the Rajiv Gandhi urban housing scheme. There is a background to this, and you've heard from our chairman of the committee about the background to this whole thing. These are illegal encroachers who have settled in survey number 99, which had a clear title in 2015 when the BBMP handed over, the Brihad Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike handed over the same for a segregation unit to the Bengaluru Solid Waste Management Limited. So in 2015, the land was clear. In 2025, within a span of about 2.5 years, these encroachers had set up homes, which were demolished. And to be allocating them homes without going into their background is where the BJP stepped in, and we did a complete research on what was going on there, and that's the fact-finding committee's report bears all of the findings. And more or less, we've been able to establish that of the 167 homes that were demolished, about 137 plus 1. 136 plus 1 belong to minorities. One Christian community, all other Muslim. Only about 30 odd Hindu families were living there.